Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. In this, what you have to do, you have to just click on the search menu, then type here CMD. You will find your command prompt. You have to just right click on that, then click on run as administrator. Here you need to type ipconfig space /+ DNS, then hit enter. After seeing this successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, you have to just close this command and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Ethernet doesn't have a valid IP configuration on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.